Why to choose Japan to represent it? For you have been a good, capable guy to fight and represent your own country as well.
I love Japan more than Pakistan. Of course, while working as a wrestler, a lot of companies, of modeling companies, give me opportunities to become a model in Japan too.
How many types of wrestling are there?
There are MMA, Taekwondo, mixed martial art, Jiu-Jitsu. There are many kinds of wrestling.
What is pro wrestling and how Pakistan can grow in it?
The people who live in Pakistan can represent and make Pakistan proud and defeat the other countries and show that we are strong, we can do it.
Is Pakistan giving opportunity to new sports, helping them, encouraging them, giving them environment and atmosphere to learn new things and do something wonders?
We are connected with the government. Whenever our wrestlers want to go outside of Pakistan, government give support a lot.
Any criteria that is specifically designed for the people who want to become a wrestler?
Criteria is the person should be fit medically.
How dangerous it is?
You can see my nose is broken. In my first match, the wrestler punched and my nose was broken.